My first introduction to virgin coconut oil was between 1995 to 98 period. So I was working as a research assistant at Regional Cancer Center Trivandrum. I was working in the pediatric oncology department. So my job was to maintain the oral health of the children who are admitted for chemoradiation therapy. What basically happens when children are admitted and when chemotherapy is started, usually on the 7th day they will develop ulcers in their mouth. And then if there is an ulcer, then it will lead to an infection because all of them are immunocompromised. Then the infection has to be treated. Then we have to restart the chemotherapy. So what happened was the normal chemotherapy, which was scheduled for about say 14 to 28 days, got prolonged, and thereby the efficiency of chemotherapy got reduced. So I was there to make sure that the children will not develop oral complications because of chemotherapy medicines. So of all the 72 people who are admitted there, my job was to examine the oral cavity, make sure that they maintain good oral health. But in spite of all our measures, on the 7th day or on the 6th day, you will see an ulcer in their mouth. So then we need to stop the chemotherapy, treat the infection, and then again restart it. Except for one girl, who was a very small girl from Thrissur. For her, there was no ulcer. So we asked her, what else other than the normal things that we give that you are using? So her mother introduced me to that small bottle of coconut oil which they produced at home. So that was the first time I was introduced to virgin coconut oil.
Coconut Development Board, which is a statutory body under the Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, in association with the Central Food Technological Research Institute under the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India, has developed a technology for production of virgin coconut oil by wet processing, that is a centrifugal method. Coconut oil mainly composes of medium chain fatty acids. It's a very stable and resistant oil to oxidation. It is resistant to oxidation process. It contains about 40% lauric acid, and it does not release free radicals which changes the body cells. Virgin coconut oil is an excellent base for lotions, creams, lip balms, etc.